RKC Kettlebell Certification this weekend. I feel like I've been training for this for so long, so I'm really excited. So this week is going to be a little bit different. I have some clients out of town, and normally I would try to fill those spots with like meetings or, you know, like drop-in clients sometimes. And this week I am chilling. Like, I'm really trying to just not work as much this week. And really focus on like recovery and mobility and all those things so that I can go into this weekend feeling really good. So today's like a really light day. I have 2 small group sessions, and then I'm coming home for like 2 hours. I have a virtual one-on-one because one of my clients moved away, but we're still training a little bit, and then a meeting, and that's literally it. So none of these are always short, but today is an especially like chill day because I don't have any in-person one-on-one. So I'm literally gonna go downtown to do 6 a.m., 7 a.m. and head right back up. Okay, we're just going through a little walk in the park right now because it's beautiful outside. Gorge. It's like 50, what did she say, like 56 degrees? Yeah, 56. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. So we're just going on a little walk. We have Harley. Yeah, just gonna enjoy the weather and the sun. I've been a horrible vlogger today, but we just went grocery shopping. And we actually also went to a bookstore nearby us. I got the sequel to It Ends With Us, Starts With Us. I'm excited to read this. I've heard really mixed reviews, so I'm excited to dive in. I got this for Grant for Valentine's Day. What is this about, Grant?
Just like, it's like a Game of Thrones kind of book.
Game of Thrones-esque. And then I'm going on this adventure. I'm starting A Court of Thorns and Roses. So, very exciting stuff. We have a vacation coming up in a month. So I feel like that would be a good beach treat if I can like make it through the first one and then bring the second one on vacation.
Show them your goodies.
What are my goodies?
That I got you.
Oh! Grant is so sweet and got me Valentine's Day gifts. He got me this such a cute like makeup case that I've been eyeing for so long. Wait, let me put this here. Okay, so it unzips like this, and then you can take this out too. And I love how big it is, and you can like really see everything. And this super fun pair of earrings. How fun are these? I feel like I have to plan a whole outfit around these earrings because they're just too magical. This beach cover up, give you a little hint of where we're going. So yeah, that was my sweet little Valentine's gift. Thank you, Grant.
I love you.
I love you too. So tonight I'm gonna cook for Grant. Woo! I'm gonna make a poke bowl. Poke in quotes. And yeah, we just got stuff for the week. We got steak stuff again to make those tacos from last week because they were so good. We have to do it again. Are you hungry? Oh, yeah. Happy I have another mango. This mango is not good anymore. Okay, so then we'll probably start cooking pretty soon. I made us little like Asian inspired bowls for dinner. So we have salmon, rice, edamame, carrots, avocado, and then some mango and orange. Grant's putting a little sauce on his. This is the chili onion thing that I like from Trader Joe's. Probably gonna watch, huh?
It's amazing.
I'm so happy you like it. Probably gonna watch a little TV, hang out with a little Harley bear.
Huh? Do you think?
Good morning and happy Tuesday. So this week I've just been prioritizing like sleep and light movement. I have a session with Wendell today, and yeah, I have a super weird schedule today. I'm doing like a group session, and then I'm doing a small group session, and then I have an 1.5 hour break, and then I have 2 one-on-ones, another hour-long break, and then my session with Wendell. Yeah, so I really want to, things that I want to do this week are like really focus on my sleep, make sure that I'm getting a lot of sleep every night, focusing on my nutrition, and then I really want to make it to the sauna at my gym at least once this week, and do some mobility. So I'm just really trying to like kind of take it slow this week in preparation for this weekend.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9.
So I think I'm gonna make the steak that we bought yesterday. I want to meal prep it and then also have some for dinner tonight. Except I'm debating if I want to make tacos and have a side salad, or if I just want to make like a full taco salad. I mean, not a taco salad, but like a steak salad with like some veggies in it. So I'm just gonna start the cooking process and then see what I'm feeling when the time comes. So I ended up making this salad and then also some steak tacos. So much steak left over. So this is dinner tonight. And I have to show you these candles that we're obsessed with from Malin and Cats. Go over there. This is the cannabis scent, which is so weird, but it smells so good. We'll buy one and they last us for like basically a month. I'm really, really hungry right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat this and then probably just like chill for the rest of the night. For some unknown reason, I was feeling so inspired on Sunday, or maybe it was Saturday, I don't remember. But one day over the weekend, I was feeling so inspired and I was like, I'm gonna wash my hair because I was just in the mood to do it. Biggest mistake I've made this week, because now my hair wash schedule is completely thrown off. Today is the day that I normally wash my hair, but I don't really feel like my hair is like at a point where it needs to be washed. But if I don't wash it today, then it just continues this issue of my hair wash schedule being off. I don't know. I also like, what do we think of like the crimped look? Like it had a moment in like 2019, like summer of 2020, where everyone was like braiding their hair and then just like wearing it crimped. And everybody bought those wands, and I don't see it as much anymore, but like, is it out? Or do we like it? I don't know. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my hair tonight because I just want to get back on my schedule. And the week is going by so fast, which I feel like always happens when you have something on like a Friday or like over the weekend. I feel like all the days just go by so quickly. I can't believe tomorrow's Wednesday. All that to say, I'm about to take a shower. I am gonna wash my hair. I know you guys were all really stressed about whether or not I was gonna do it. I am. Okay, I've just been hanging out on the couch, letting my hair kind of air dry. I'm just gonna take the brush in my Shark and just dry and give myself like a little more volume, because I think I'm gonna curl my hair tomorrow. And then today is like a recovery night in my skincare. I'm gonna do a little bit of this guy, the Lancome Genifique serum. Also, I've started using a new cleanser. I'm trying the SkinCeuticals LHA cleanser. So far I like it a lot. I'm gonna put some Jet Lag on top of that. I really, really, really need to go to Sephora and get new moisturizer, because your girl basically has that, and then I keep stealing Grant's Kiehl's that he has. That is that. I'm gonna brush my teeth and get into bed.